a long time, editing was the most intimidating part of making videos. It felt technical, slow, and reserved for professionals. AI changed that. Well, almost. That said, great editors still do things AI can't replace. They shape story and emotion with rhythm, taste, and intention, knowing exactly when to cut, why to hold, and how to build tension, clarity, and meaning over time. But AI can speed up the mechanics, and that's exactly what we're going to learn in this lesson. You need to understand which creative decisions matter. Then let AI handle the rest. In this lesson, we're not learning software, we're learning how AI fits into a modern creative workflow. Whether you're making YouTube videos, short-form content, presentations, or simple personal projects, we'll use free, beginner-friendly tools as examples. Later, we'll also look at professional tools like DaVinci Resolve Studio to show what becomes possible when you decide to go deeper. They may look different. They may have different buttons and layouts, but the ideas behind them are the same. Once you understand how AI supports your decisions, you can apply that logic to any editing tool you use in the future. Different tools, same ideas. What AI actually does in editing. Let's clear one thing up right away. AI doesn't replace creativity. AI replaces repetition. You can now edit your videos faster and clean your audio in one single click. These are tasks that drain time and energy. You still decide what the story is. AI helps you get there faster. How the following lessons are structured. The next lessons are divided between free and paid editing software, and I'll focus only on the AI features available in each. Not because one is good and the other is bad, but because this reflects how real creative workflows evolve. Audio first. Bad audio kills good video. Clean, understandable sound matters more than perfect visuals. You'll learn how free AI tools can improve your audio quality, clean your voice, reduce background noise, apply simple voice filters, generate captions automatically. We'll also see how you can combine other free AI tools alongside your editor. For example, Adobe offers a powerful free online tool called Adobe Podcast Enhanced Speech, which lets you clean up audio with a single click. You don't need to understand audio engineering. You only need to know the result you want, a voice that sounds clear, consistent, and ready to publish. In the following lesson, we'll zoom out and look at what happens when you step into professional tools to show what becomes possible. Text-based editing, advanced voice isolation, dialogue leveling, automatic subtitles and transcriptions, music control. You'll see the professional tools don't make editing more complicated. You'll see how AI helps with cutting faster and saves a lot of time. AI does not replace your creative choices. It removes friction. You still decide what stays, what goes, and how the video should feel. AI doesn't tell your story. It just helps your voice and visuals become clean, consistent, and ready to publish. Once you understand the idea behind AI-assisted editing, you stop thinking in terms of apps and start thinking in terms of results.